Hello everyone, today we will learn about map, filter, reduce function in Python. All of them are built-in functions. Now start with map function. Map is a function that applies a given function all the items in an iterable. Suppose here I have taken a function which takes a value and returns the square of that value. Okay. Now you can see this is a list. Numbers equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I take the map function and pass two arguments. One is the function I have just built. Another one is the list on which I want to apply the function. Then map function will apply the given function on the given list and will return the result. See if I run it, what will be the output? Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of the numbers are taken and passed to the square function which returns the square value. So 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 20. Okay. Here I have made it a list so that I can see the output. Okay. Okay. Now understand our next example. Here I have made a function which checks whether a number is even or not. And I have taken a list. Applying the map function, passing the function and the list as arguments. Now what will happen? It will take each number from the list. First one will be taken. The function will be applied. So 1 modulus 2 equal to 0, false. So it will return false. Next 2, 2 modulus 2 equal to 0, true, it will return true. Next number will be taken 3, 3 will be passed to the function. 3 modulus 2 equal to 0, false. So it will return false. This way it will check for all the numbers and give us the value whether it is true or false. So you understand the concept? Map function applies the given function to all the items in an iterable. Okay. Now let me run it. Clear? Now filter. Now the difference between map and filter function is filter applies function to each element but returns only those which returns true. Okay. So if they are false, filter will not return. That is the difference between map and filter. All others are same. Filter function, same. The function is passed and the list is passed. So it will take each number, will check and will return only those which are true. So false will be ignored. Let me show you. See, true for 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Those numbers which are returning false, those will be ignored. Okay, so that is the difference between map function and filter function. Next, reduce. To use the reduce function, we have to import functools. And here I have made a function. This will take two numbers and will give us the additional result of these two numbers. Here I have taken numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a list, and I am applying the reduce function on the add function and the list. Okay, so each numbers will be taken from the list numbers and then add function will be applied. So first 1, 2 will be taken, return 1 plus 2, 3. This way it will calculate all the numbers and give us the output. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. That will be 50. Okay, so reduce means it will do some operation and reduce it to a single result. Okay, so you have understood map function, filter function and reduce function. This is a small topic. I hope this is clear. We'll meet on our next video. Till then, bye. Happy learning.